Look at my spaghetti squash growing. I see you. I see you. Look at you. Okay. Okay, squash. Come on. Grow. Got a lot of blooms here. Okay, squash. Look at that beautiful flower there. Okay, squash. Grow us a lot of beautiful squash tea. Beautiful squash. I have some onion coming up. Not as big as I want them to be, but they're coming above the ground so far. Okay, onion. These are my yellow onions growing here. All of them didn't germinate, but I have a few that have popped up. Okay, onions. Get bigger for us. Look at my beautiful collard greens still growing. Look at those beautiful leaves. Need to harvest you. Oh yes. Looking great. Getting ready to repot my new kiwi plant. Looking good, looking good. Yes. Hope you do better than the last one. It didn't survive. It died out on us. But you look better. You look beautiful. Look at your beautiful leaves. Okay, come on, kiwi. Grow some kiwis for us. This is a male and a female kiwi plant that we got from Fast Growing Trees. Come on and grow us a bunch of kiwis we can enjoy. Okay, my fuzzy kiwi plant is in its new pot. Enjoy your new home. Now grow us a lot of kiwis we can enjoy. Yes. Look at those beautiful leaves. Come on, kiwi plant. Grow for us. We have two new additions to Big Mama's garden. Some blueberry bushes. Okay. Welcome to Big Mama's garden. We have a Premier blueberry and a Brightwell blueberry bush. Looking good. Yes, you are. From Fast Growing Trees. We're getting ready to pot them up into some bigger container pots. Give those roots a little more room to grow. Come on, blueberries. Grow a lot for us now. With the blueberries, you have to have two blueberry bushes to pollinate each other. So that's what we have here. Now y'all go ahead and pollinate each other and grow a lot of blueberries for us. Have one blueberry plant potted up. Looking good. One more to go. I'm gonna open these roots, massage this blueberry bush here. Get these roots ready to go into its new container where it can spread out and grow. Yeah, it had whined around, those roots had whined around in that old container pot it was in. It's ready for a new home. Okay, blueberry bush, let me get you on into your new home. Have to move some of the soil out and get you deeper down in there. So let me move some of the soil around and get you into your new home. Okay, I have both of my blueberry bushes potted up into their new container pots. A lot more room for them to grow. Come on, blueberries. Grow for us. Grow us a lot of blueberries. Yes. Come on, y'all. Pollinate each other. And come on and grow us a lot of blueberries that we can enjoy. Blueberries growing in Big Mama's garden. I'm going to cover them up with some netting because I heard the birds are going to try to attack my blueberry bushes before I can enjoy them. So I'm going to cover them up with some netting and to help prevent the birds from eating them up. Blueberries, y'all looking nice in y'all new spot in the garden. Okay, I decided to add some mint over here to protect the blueberry plants from pests trying to eat on them. Okay, mint, protect the blueberries now.